you should observe the withdrawal what? Period. Language which is not understandable to them. What is withdrawal period? Others will think other things. So, can we have simplified messaging if we want all the players in the food safety chain to play their role? Simply say, for milk to be secure, isn't it? You farmer, don't make your cow within this period when it has been treated. You get it? Maybe milk and powder milk. Do not slaughter a cow, okay, within this period of treatment. You are very sure that there is a lot of slaughtering of animals on the festivities, isn't it? Christmas, Eid, Easter, in addition to the day-to-day slaughtering. But you never hear messages coming out from the Veterinary Association that as you approach 21st lesson, in my region, we know 21st lesson is for meat. They even have a local language that the day is not as good as 24th. 24th lesson is when you go to look for meat. So the question is, the people slaughtering, what kind of animals are they slaughtering? So I really appeal to you, can we have this message simplified? Just like World Health Organization has basic messaging on personal, on public health. You have seen pamphlets about this, don't take water like this. There was a Professor Omaswa. He had his famous voice on the radios. I don't have any epidemiological research to confirm that food safety is linked to that, but I'm sure there is something. There's some positive finding there. The way we handle our food would be responsible for the higher cases of this complicated sickness. So, government people, my youth, civil society, UNBS, let us help people to know the standards. Now, there is one thing I don't like with us government. Now let the government criticize fellow government. We tend to think that regulation is you call it means to the end. UNBS, MAIF, certificate of what? You don't mind the journey this person walks to get qualified. You get it? All you want is to be a police officer. You qualify or you don't. It's either yes or no. Okay, yes or no. But whose job is it to help this person or entity to qualify? Isn't it? Yes. Whose job is it? Why should I go hunting for UNBS or my staff satisfy me? What framework have we put in place to show people on how to be safe? Even if I have not attained your mark. Because you see, that mark of yours is for enabling you to trade, isn't it? Yes. But if I am making bread in my house, when I put on your mark, so should I kill myself because UNBS is not there to regulate me in my kitchen? Now, their regulation falls short of helping me, isn't it? So it should be regulation and empowerment. Regulation and development. Are we together, colleagues?
Yes.
Yes. I want a regulation that develops. I don't want a regulation that only prohibits.